New tonight, the Ohio Supreme Court will allow the city of Columbus to appeal an injunction that's blocking the city from enforcing safe gun storage laws.
City leaders say those laws are meant to prevent accidental shootings. It would limit high-capacity magazines and require firearms be stored safely in homes with children. But opponents of the legislation say the laws violate constitutional rights. 10 TV's Carla Rogner joins us live with the latest on this legal battle and what it means for gun owners in the city. Carla.
Yeah, guys, if you go into a gun shop, it's easy to find locks and safes like these where you can keep your gun for safe storage. And that law the city passed in 2022 would require you to use something like this when you're not using your gun. They also banned high-capacity magazines, but the city hasn't been able to enforce these laws because of the legal battles.
We sold a bunch of these for people who were concerned who lived in the city of Columbus.
At LEPD Guns on Bethel Road, Eric Delbert started selling magazines that hold 29 rounds for residents to be in compliance with the city's new laws.
Great.
But while he advocates for safe gun storage, he doesn't think putting either of these restrictions into law will help reduce crime in the city.
Is it going to stop the next accidental shooting? Absolutely not, because the people who are keeping them unsecured today will keep them unsecured for tomorrow.
But now the Ohio Supreme Court has ruled the city can defend these laws in court. The Buckeye Institute is representing 6 people who filed lawsuits alleging the laws violate their constitutional rights, which led to an injunction. In a statement, Director David C. Tyron said today, this injunction continues to protect the rights of the Buckeye Institute's clients and residents of Columbus. However, City Attorney Zach Klein celebrated today's court decision and said these laws could save lives. He wrote in a statement, "Right now, there are gaps in the law that are failing our kids and preventing irresponsible gun owners from being held accountable when a child is injured or killed by an unsecured firearm. Most Ohioans want to see that changed."
And for now, the city still cannot enforce these laws. Next, the case will go back to the Court of Appeals, and a judge will decide if the injunction will stand or if the city can proceed with these gun laws. Reporting live, Carla Rogner, 10 TV News.